Good morning all of you. Today we will continue with the chapter. This is chapter number 2 and the name of the chapter is January Night. Okay. This is a story which is translated by David Ruin. Okay. And it is from the collection of stories called World of Premchandra. Premchandra is a famous writer and this January night was originally called Poos Ki Raat. Poos is the name of a month in the Hindu solar calendar. Now the story is started. Halku came in and said to his wife, "The landlord come, get the rupees you set aside. I will give him the money and somehow or other we will get along without it." Now Halku is the name of a character of the story. Halku is a farmer, he is a peasant. Okay, and most important thing is that he is indulged in doing a tenant farming in which a person take a land from a landlord and then he do some agriculture work in that particular land, and in return he have to give some amount of money to the landlord. So now Halku is saying to his wife that landlord is standing outside the house. Get the rupees you set aside. Means please give me the amount of money which you have kept aside. I will give him the money and somehow or other we will get along without it. Means I will give him the money and somehow or other means I will find out some other ways to live without that money. Now Munni has been sweeping. She turned around and said, "But there are only 3 rupees. Munni is what? Munni is wife of Halku. She was sweeping the floor. She was cleaning the floor. Now what happened? She turned around. Now she was facing Halku and she said that I am having only 3 rupees. How many rupees? 3 rupees. If you give them to him, where the blanket going to come from? Means if that amount of money you will give to the landlord, then from where you will purchase the blanket? How are you going to get through these January nights in the field? Means how you will survive without a blanket in January night. As you know, January is the coldest month of the year, and without a blanket it is impossible for any human being to survive, right? But now here is the condition is that they are very poor, they are not having the blanket and they have collected some amount of money to purchase a blanket, but now unfortunately they have to hand over that amount of money to the landlord. Now tell him we will pay him after the harvest, not right now. Now Munni is saying that tell to the landlord that right now we are not going to pay that amount of money. We will pay the amount of money but not right now. After some amount of means after some time we will give that amount of money. Okay, means after the harvest जो हमारी खेती है वो क्या होगी, उग जाएगी. जब उसकी कटने का समय आएगा तब हम उसे देंगे पैसे. Now, for a moment Halku stood hesitating. Now, for a moment Halku was hesitating. He was in a confusion that without a blanket he couldn't possibly sleep in the field at night. Means it is impossible for him to sleep at night in the field, in the agriculture field, without a blanket. But if he will not give the amount of money, then the landlord would be put off. He would threaten and insult him. But now if he do not give the amount of money to the landlord, then the landlord will threaten him. Means he will frighten him, डराएगा उसे, and insult him, और उसे बहुत ही बुरी तरह से insult करेगा. He will abuse him. So what did it matter if they died in the cold weather, as long as they could just take care of this calamity right now? As he thought, then he moved his heavy body that gave the lie to his name and came close to his wife. Now he is thinking that what is the thing which matters a lot? क्या चीज ज्यादा महत्व रखती है? Whether if they died in the cold weather, means if they are not having the blanket, they will automatically die because the weather condition is very very cold. But right now the calamity which is arrived, means अभी जो विपदा आ गई है वो क्या है? Means the landlord is standing outside the house. So now for right now, what they have to do? They have to give the amount of money to whom? To the landlord. Because right now it is important to give the amount of money to landlord. As he thought this, he moved his heavy body that gave the lie to his name and came close to his wife. Now after thinking this, he came close to his wife. Trying to coax her, he said, "Come on, give it to me. We will manage. I will figure out some other plan to get the blanket." Now he is saying trying to coax her. Means he was trying to persuade her. He was insisting her that come on, please give me the amount of money. We will manage. We will do something. I will figure out. I will do something else for getting the blanket. Munni drew away from him. Her eyes were angry. She said, "You just tell me what other plan can be found." Okay. Munni drew away means she go away from him. And her eyes were very angry and she was saying, "Just tell me what other plan you are having." Means what is the next plan which you are having? Is somebody going to give you a blanket? Means if someone will come here and that person will give the blanket to us, God knows how many debts are always left over that we can't pay off. Now she is saying God knows, भगवान ही जाने that how many debts are always left. कितना अभी debt बचा हुआ है. Debt means the amount of money which is arrear, means अभी कितना उधार बाकी है देना, always left over that we can't pay off, जिसको हम अभी तक भर नहीं पाए. What I say is give up this tenant farming. The work is killing you. Whatever you harvest goes to pay up the arrears, so why not finish with it? Earn some amount of money for your own belly. I won't give you the money I want. Now she is saying that just leave this tenant farming. Why? Because whatever amount of money you earn from the tenant farming, you have to give it to the landlord. Means जो भी पैसा वो कमाता है tenant farming से, वो उसको क्या करना पड़ता है? उसके लैंडलॉर्ड को दे देना पड़ता है उधार चुकाने के लिए, अरियर चुकाने के लिए. So now she is saying that just leave this tenant farming and you should do some other work. Okay? Earn some amount of money for your own belly. अपने खुद के पेट के लिए भी कुछ कमाओ. I won't give you the money. मैं तुम्हें पैसे नहीं दूंगी. I am not going to give you the money and I will not give you. Sadly, Halku said, then I will have to put up with his abuse. Now, Halku was very sad. He was saying that now I have to hear the abusing language of the landlord. The bitter truth in Halku's word came charging at Munni like a wild beast. She went to the niche in the wall, took out the rupees and handed them over to Halku. Now this was a bitter truth, means ये कड़वा सच था in Halku's word. She went to the niche in the wall. Now Munni went to the niche in the wall. Niche means there is a hole in the wall. She took out the rupees, means from that hole, she has taken out the amount of money and then given to Halku. Then she said, give up farming this time. If you work as a hired laborer, you will at least get enough food to eat from it. Find work farming someone else's land. Now she is saying that now this is enough. Now you will not do tenant farming. Now you will do which type of farming? You will work as a hired laborer. Means you will work as a hired laborer. Means there will be an agriculture field. You will work there for the entire day and then you will get some amount of money. So please do this type of work. At least you will earn some amount of money to eat food. Okay? Now, Halku took the money and went outside, looking as though he were tearing his heart out and giving it away. Now, Halku has taken the amount of money and after that he were tearing his heart out and giving it away. It was like that he was tearing his heart. वो अपना दिल जो है ऐसे चीर के उसे अपना पैसा दे रहा है. He would save the rupees from his work piece by piece for his blanket. Means he has saved the amount of money for purchasing a blanket. Today he was going to throw it away. Now it was like that he was throwing that amount of money. With every step his hand sank lower under the burden of his poverty. Means every step which he was keeping, it was like that his head sank. उसका सर झुका जा रहा था under the burden of his poverty. उसकी जो गरीबी थी उसके burden से. Hope you have understand the lesson properly. Thank you.